What's going on YouTube? This is Warren with the Fishing Areas. Today we're gonna go back in time a little bit to how I got my start fishing creeks and really small rivers and stuff like that. So today we're going back into a tributary off the Little Patuxent, and we're gonna see if we can scrounge some panfish, some bait fish, see what's back there. Okay, stay tuned. First thing we're gonna use is a little small grub type lure. It's actually a Barbie Garland slab slayer. I've had some good luck on this lure. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna play around in little pockets. See if we can find some fishies. Oh, fish on already. Let's see, what did we catch this time? What did we get this time? Oh, okay. A little largemouth. A little largemouth. Okay. It's still a little guy. Okay, a little largemouth, not bait. Not bait, but we know that largemouth are here. Actually, this is a nice, pretty guy. We're gonna let him go. We're gonna work on something else. And look at all the minnows. Look at all the minnows. I don't know if you guys can see it. Another one. Okay. All right. Yeah. Oh, okay. Second species of the day. Ooh. I want to call this a green sunfish, but I think it's not. Actually, yeah, it's a green sunfish. That is a nice one. Look at that. Little guy. See why I chose this lure? There's one thing about it. Uh-oh, just missed it. I might be busy for a little while here. This was definitely a good idea. Oh, Another big fish. Well, not a big fish. When I say big fish, I mean big fish for like in a particular area. So that's a fight. What is this? Third species. Aha, this is what I was actually after. Fallfish. This guy. Come on. Chill out so I can let you go. Get some pictures of you and let you go. Fallfish. Good bait. Perfect bait. And this is the type of fish that you want when you're down here. Along with the different species of sunfish, this is what I'm talking about. And this is a fun way to really catch bait. You know, bring your kids out. I'm planning to pretty much doing some recon. Haven't fished here in a while. And excellent place to fill up the bait well. Excellent place. Is quiet. Very quiet. And there's a largemouth just sitting right in front of me. So, I mean, literally, he's sitting right in front of me, and he's larger than the ones I've seen. Yeah, I got him. There he is, so you can see him. That's right, son. That's right. Show him what you got. That's right. Show them what you got. Now, definitely a dink, but probably a master of this pool. Sorry about that, but probably a master of this pool. And sorry about the noise. I'm actually under a road. But yeah, he's definitely probably the master of this pool. Put you back since I dropped you, sorry. Missed that one. And these places like this are also a good place to go when it's hot. Got shady areas that you can go to. And that's why I wanted to fish under this bridge, because not only have shady areas, they have little points, little mini points of land that predatory fish, no matter how small, like to use. Like points, I just missed one. Walls, eddies, all those things are created in this area. So all I'm doing is just casting it out, give it a little dingle dangle. Got him. Another one. Let's see if this is this a fallfish? Yes, it's another. Yep. Another fall fish. Excellent. Now that's two fall fish and one sunfish that would have made good bait. So that's 3 for the bait category. And I also like to use these guys. For live bait if I can. And that's one of the best things about that Aqualife bait station that I did a review on, because they need plenty of room, plenty of oxygen. They're not really temperature sensitive. Another one. Let's see, what are you? Oh, another greenie. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. And as you can see, green sunfish have a pretty big mouth. I don't know if you can see it. Green sunfish have a pretty big mouth. So, and an excellent choice of bait too. These are places like this I first started fishing, you know, in creeks. But these are the places where you want to go when you want to get away from the crowd. Get you some jigs and some ultralight rod. You don't need to spend a bunch of money. Get you some really small jigs, no more than 2 inches. I would say, unless you know it's bass, then you can big bass, and then we probably hit some areas with some pretty large bass. Uh-oh, wind knot. Don't you hate a wind knot? Oh no. Oh, that's special. Okay, I got my bait stuck in the tree. How do you do that, man? Only I can perform such a feat. There we go. I love fishing these two. There we go. We got more. Let's see what's over there in that pocket. Is it another greenie? Warmouth. Oh, that's yeah. Oh, did I not bring my phone? I didn't bring my phone. Oh well. Here's another one. Nice size greenie. Tick. Oh boy. Tick. Got how to do a tick check already. I don't even know how to tick that on me. Sheesh. Oh, ticks. Can't stand them. Yes, I'm scared of Lyme disease. Oh, there you go. Well, we're not gonna worry about Lyme disease right now. Okay, what we got? We have another fall fish. Another nice size fall fish. Again, we're gonna mark him in the bait bucket. And he's pooping. Would you just relax? If you relax, I can put you back. There you go. I want you right now. That's the one thing about having to go side on. Okay, here we go. Alright. I don't know if this is him. This is not him. He does not feel like the one that was there. Oh, but a new species, another species. Red-breasted. Red-breasted sunfish, long ear. It's a long ear. Oh. That's nice. That's what's up. And now, oh, the inner child in me is coming out. And it's like, no, I'm a cat, daddy, please. Oh, yeah. It's time to get the fissionary yay. I caught the beast of the creek. Oh, I caught the beast of the creek today. Yes. I caught the beast of the creek. Ultralight 4-pound line. We gotta take it easy on them. But the beast of the creek. Oh, look at him. Oh my goodness. Come here, buddy. Now, when I say I caught the beast of the creek, this is not a 8-pound bass. This is probably a 1.5 pounds, maybe approaching 2 pounds. Matter of fact, it was about 1.5 pounds. Now see what I mean when I say you never know what's in these creeks. Look at this guy. This guy's heavy. I'm gonna say possibly 2 pounds. I'm not gonna worry about weighing him. I can worry about weighing 1.5 pounds. I don't care. Give him 1 pound. As you can see with what I've been catching today, this guy is the master of this hole right here. He is definitely the master of this hole. And caught on a Bobby Garland. So we'll make sure you see him, because I see where I messed up on the I didn't get a good picture of him. The pressure's back there. He hasn't eaten anything recently. That is probably the guy that I missed earlier, because that was how I felt. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, now I'm leaving on top. That's how you leave on top. Going to petition the fissionary's body for a fissionary yay. See you, beast. Thanks for visiting. Now I got to go dry my boots out, dry my feet out, get back through this this jumble. And this is why creek fishing can be some good fishing, and you don't need much. Ultralight gear. I'm about to fall again. Ultralight gear. Everything else. I tell you what, I'm gonna cut this thing off because I've been falling like crazy. But I'll see you guys back at the truck. All right, so hey guys, okay. We are back in the truck. And walked through those woods. It was good though. It was good. First, let me say sorry for the sound quality. It happens when I fish creeks that, you know, under roadways and stuff like that. I'll try to do better in the future. What else? Stay tuned for my video about how to find places like that a lot of people don't know about, because those are going to be your high catch areas no matter what you're doing. Even if you're fishing for bass, if you're fishing for bait fish, they're not going to have the fishing pressure that the more popular places have. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm working on a new app that help me do screen everything and try to make it real good and informational. I'm hot. I got the windows up, so I'm trying to make this go pretty fast. If you like our videos, please give them a like. Comment down below with some stuff you want to see me do other than fall in the mud, and I'll do my best to get them out there and get them done. If you like our videos in general, hit subscribe and hit the bell so you can know every time we upload a video. If there's any questions that you may have and you want me to answer, I'll do my best. If I don't know, I'll research for you and get back to you as soon as possible. You can message me everywhere. We're everywhere. We're on Facebook. We're on Instagram. We're on Fishbrain. We're on Twitter. We're pretty much on all your favorite social media sites. I'll put a link below. Also, go fishing. Go fishing.